Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? This is going to be a new YouTube channel for me. I'm creating this channel to try to help traders that I know what it feels like, to be struggling using a crap load of indicators, watching videos after videos showing 100% win rate this, 90% win rate that, and I'm just tired of all the bullshit. So I decided, you know, been doing good trading myself that kind of want to just help others and just help them get funded and just give them setups that I see on a daily basis. I mean, the way I trade, I just keep things simple. This channel will be nothing but trading ranges. That's my formula to success. I just want to give a shout out in the beginning and just say that everything I learned on this channel, I learned it from a gentleman trader called White Phoenix. And those are the concepts that I'm going to be trading with. And I just want to give a shout out to him. He taught me a lot, took his course, and I just learned so much. I mean, there's a lot of information on that course, but one thing that just changed my trading was just keeping things simple and just trading ranges, deviations, trading things, assets side by side, waiting for my setup, putting alerts in, waiting for price to come to me, not chasing price like I was doing, not following EMAs, no market cipher, no whatever you call it. I don't know. There's so many indicators now these days. And yeah, that's what I want this channel to be. I just want this channel to be where you can just see the price that you're currently seeing, the market structure, and trading that. You know, no order flow, no market data, and all this crap. I mean, I tried that before, and it was a recipe for disaster. So if you are a struggling trader, trust me, I know what it's like. Paying for all this market data, paying for all this courses, and paying for all this just software. Oh man, it's never ending. I mean, I spent countless of dollars trying to figure out this trading thing, and time after time, I just found myself spending money, pretty much just throwing money away, and not just realizing that everything I needed is right in front of me. I mean, really. And then just keep it things simple, taking easy setups, A plus setups each day, and only my setups. I don't go on Twitter or X and try to copy what other traders are doing. I mean, I just follow my rules. I have rules that I follow, and I just stick by them. And for that, I mean, I found a lot of success with the way I trade. So this channel, I'll be just showing you how I trade, and I also will try my best day by day to try to give you guys setups through all kinds of assets. Um, so as you see today, right now, we're looking at the ES futures contract, and that being said, let's do some TA. Uh, so the reason that I like to trade ranges is that ranges are everywhere. I mean, literally everywhere. Anywhere you see it, I mean, you probably don't see it right now. Like things are just. I mean, you look at a daily chart, you can just see things are just making higher lows, higher low, so on and so on. It just looked like this forever trending. But within this, you could trade ranges from side to side, deviation ranges. Um, so I like to just try to find ranges. I mean, everywhere. I mean, there's a 4 hour. I mean, let's find them. I mean, this is a range that I currently was trading here. This range right here. Trading that deviation here. And then price left, came back down, deviated out of here, and that looks like we're trying to enter in. Let's find some more. Let's find some more ranges. I'm gonna have one here. Came in the range, ranging, deviated off the range, came back in the range. I adjusted my range. Price came back in, came back down, deviated the range once again, continue backed up. And you could do this on any time frame, any asset. Here. I'll go here. Price deviated, came back down, deviated again, came back up. Rotation, rotation. Adjust this one. You're probably looking here. You can see it deviated just a little bit, the range. And look what happened. Got this straight. And this is any time frame. I mean, we could go down to, let's go down to 15-minute time frame. You can just see here. It was ranging here. Came out the range. Came back in the range. I adjusted my range. After the trade was won. Price came back down. Deviated again, the range. Rotated back up. Rotated back up to do what? To liquidate all these traders here that was driving the price down. Price came back up, liquidated all those guys. Couldn't close behind this high right here. Failed to close behind this, over this high. Came back down. And did what? Just starting to try to range again. So what I would do in this situation is that I'll just start working from the low, go to the high, and wait for price to confirm the range. The way I confirm my ranges is I go from the low to the high and I just wait for price to hit that 50% mark here of the range. And once that 50% mark is hit, then my range is confirmed. And then I look for trades upon that. Okay. We're gonna go, let's find a random spot here. We have this. We had a high. We had a low. Price deviated that range. Well, first it deviated the high, as you can see here. Deviated the high. I adjusted my range. Price then deviated the low. Couldn't close out of the range. Came back in the range. And I do this time after time, playing both sides of the range. I mean, I don't be in here, getting chopped up, looking at all these little market structure breaks. I literally just trade the range. I mean, it's pretty simple. It really is. And like I said, if you just take these 8+ setups, I mean, your trading will just, you will see the difference. I mean, let's go here. Once you see them, you just can't stop seeing them. They just happen time after time. Okay, we deviated this high here, came back in the range, adjusted my range, deviated here, adjusted my range, came back up. Did we deviate? I think we did. Huh? Well, we could do this on gold. We have a little range here. Had a low, had a high, deviated once, get a little, I guess you could say you get a little scalp out of that. Adjusted my range. Once again, comes back out, couldn't close out of the range. So what it do, it just comes back out. Comes back up. Um, and that's what I do, guys. I just keep things simple, and I find these everywhere. Everywhere. You could find even 5 minute market structure, 5 minute time frame, 5 minute rangers, and just trade them back and forth over and over and over again. Came out of here, deviated, adjusted my range, came back out, came back in. And that's what I do all day long. And I will be teaching more on the channel. I know things probably seem kind of confusing now, maybe how probably have some questions, and I will answer those questions, and I will try to help traders see what I see. Um, let's see here. Do we have anything? Yeah. Gold right now. We're looking at gold. Same thing. Deviated. Came out. Deviated again. Okay. Take the trade. And look at this push up, guys. If you held this, look at all this. This is ridiculous. And even in here, just ranges nonstop. Let me see. Look at 5 minute. Look at 5 minute ranges. I just seen one. Had a low here. High. Well, you could have counted this one here. And you could have said, all right, I deviated here, came back in. And this is what I do. I just wait for price to deviate the range. And then I wait for market structure to change within my favor, wait for confirmation. I don't just enter a short up here. And I don't just enter a long down here. I wait for confirmation. My confirmations, market structure changes, break of structures. And I'll just wait for price to come back up, and then I just trade that. I don't guess anything. I don't wait. Price doesn't come down here and I just enter along and I just guess. I'm predicting. I don't do that. I just read the market structure, read the price, read what's in front of me, and I go from there. This is everywhere, guys. So I won't do any TA today. But I just wanted to show you guys. Here's another one on Bitcoin. Deviate the range down here. Came up. You adjust your range. Right now, it seems like we're ranging right now at the moment on Bitcoin. And this is what I would do. Price came back up to that 50% line. Range is confirmed. Now I'm looking for trades below here. Looking for longs below here. I'm looking for shorts above here. And that's what I do, time after time. Preferably coming into an order block for resistance, or coming down here to an order block for support. And that's what I do. Yeah, guys, so I'll be posting this up as my first video on the channel, and then I'll definitely will be back on tomorrow and doing some TA. All right.